We are the
Pineapple Family!
So, there's Daddy Pineapple buying toasted siopao. It was recommended by my brother. He said it was really good and very affordable. So, we're gonna try and let's have a review. And this video is going to be a taste test. So this is located sa may Rojas Avenue, Rojas City. And dito lang siya sa may atubang ka Manila atubang. But iya nga para mabalaan gid, it is just here sa front sang Philomer Christian University, my alma mater. Daddy Pineapple. Let's try. Kapila. Taste test.
Wow!
Ano? Piki. Namit gid man. Namit gid man kuno gali ka.
Masado.
Di pero lang niya 11 pesos lang saya.
Chicken roll sa mga iba na bread store. Wala may isa.
Ay namin kinan gali.
With egg.
Said siopao. Yum yum. So far so good. Ubos na ni Daddy Pineapple yung bread. Yung bread siopao.
Bicol Express na to. Bicol special sila.
Bicol special sila. So we have here the bread of siopao and and Daddy Pineapple is also going to try this. Ano ni siya? Mamon?
Pasalubong na duwi.
Pasalubong yung galing ni kay Dewey. Wow, kaduwa na. I will also try this siopao. Let me see. Let me taste. Yung siopao gila. Yung duro, no? Nara na. May egg pa. So for its price, it's really good. Worth it sa iya price.
It's free.
Kung free pag worth it.
Kung ikaw ka bakal, not so good for its price.
Namin. As in, if you're craving for siopao and if you wanted to have an affordable version, this one is actually best. Sab